Alright, I'm ready.
My kick step is vicious.
D1, baby.
Back at the Walmart.
Put me on the snap.
This is our second home.
Oh, I didn't get you. I didn't get it. I'm good now. Jackie!
No, you betrayed
Jackie!
my trust. You betrayed my trust. You led me down the wrong aisle.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
You guys are matching. We should just take pictures in the most random place like in Walmart. Just post up in Walmart.
No. You gotta exaggerate the hips a little bit more, right? You gotta swing them.
Yeah! We made up.
That's what it's under. It's under cream cheese. Not yogurt. Strawberry. The strawberry's good.
You realize like some of our funniest stuff happens at Walmart.
What a sad existence. You go to Walmart to find joy in your life.
Do you want more hard salami?
No, I don't. I really don't. Like, it was good the first couple of days, and I was like, I want it. And I thought about it, I was like, no, I don't want that anymore.
Hot pocket.
There's just like 2 in here?
Yes.
Bro. That's...
Why is that girl in a cheer outfit? It's like 10 at
We're gonna
night.
get something else too.
Look at her over there.
Oh yeah. We're gonna get something
I was wondering the same thing.
Pie?
Yeah.
Bro.
Yeah. No, it's a pie. Pie.
I don't care about pie.
Okay, fine. You get that.
Did you crush this pie?
Huh?
Yeah, you crushed this pie. And we have whipped cream. Oh yeah, we eating good tonight.
All right, we're having pie.
We eating good tonight. All right, this is it. I need to stop spinning, dude.
All right, let's go, Jackie. Before we run out of money. Oh, look, there's the girl. There's the girl.
Meanwhile, back in the lowland.
What's up? It's Elijah and Jackie, and we're doing this box challenge thing where you put your hands inside the box, and I picked out 3 items for him and Trevor, wherever he is, right there. And they're gonna try to guess what they are. They have like 3 guesses. To get it right, the loser will do something that we'll figure out later. Let's go.
For your viewing entertainment. Starting off with something fairly easy. You should be able to get this right away.
Or not.
Oh, it's Tide Pods.
Fairly easy.
Is that your good luck charm?
No, I'm just bored.
It's super easy.
This is gross. I feel like it's gross. Is it a tissue?
Yes.
Yeah.
I told you. It's easy.
I was like, I felt it. I'm like, they put a used tissue in here.
I don't think he's seen
I don't
this.
think you've seen it. I've seen it.
I know you've seen it.
Yes,
That's why I
I'd
was
guess
gonna
that.
use it for you.
Yeah, like, I don't even know what to guess. 'Cause I don't know what it is.
He's gonna lose. Point.
This is hard. Dude. What? This doesn't make any sense. Is it an ear flashlight? I don't know.
No, it's not an ear
Yeah,
flashlight.
you can look at it now.
I feel like I'm gonna feel stupid as heck. What the fuzz? It's like an actual. What the?
Yeah.
This is pretty dope. Nice.
Oh wow.
Go ahead.
boy.
But
Not losing. I would have got that because I know how this.
I know. Actually,
you've got to be kidding me. Wait, this is a charging thing
oh, it's a charging thing?
that you put in the cigarette thing in the vehicle in your truck.
Oh,
There
okay.
we go.
Alright.
Dang it!
Ooh.
Right.
Okay, so if I get this, he loses.
Yes. Should be fairly simple for you.
He's gonna get in the first go.
So watch.
Damn.
Bang! What are we doing now?
Huh?
What are we doing for loser?
We don't know. We haven't decided yet. It's
Alright,
supposed
so
to be- it's supposed to be
for-
like soup.
It's supposed to be cooked.
The punishment thing,
There's no way I'm doing this.
just put it in your mouth.
That's what she said.
You don't have to eat it. Just hold it for 10 seconds.
I don't even know what this.
I don't
How
either.
do you even pronounce this?
Quinoa.
How do you know that
Because my
Quinoa.
mom made it once.
your mom made one?
Yes.
Is it good?
I don't really like it. It's like very grainy.
That's-
Go too.
Oh yeah.
Eat it up.
Eat it.
Eat it up.
Smells good though.
It does
It
smell
smells
good.
good. Oh. Are you gonna swallow? He's gonna. I don't know.
You got 3
There's a
seconds.
timer on the camera. Just show your.
Alright, go for it.
That was disgusting.
Funny stuff.
Who makes stuff like that?
I
Why is that legal? Alright. Oh. Never eat that mess raw. But like and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Just like and subscribe. So yeah, that's our ending. Like and subscribe, baby.